First time we met, we were chasing. First time we spoke, you called me a sociopath. The first time we had dinner, you asked me what I wanted from you. The first time we kissed, I realized that I don't want anything. Sarah Ellis, will you marry me?
One step closer. For 1,000 more. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years.
To another time, another place.
To another us.